Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to share a Lush haul. They have a lot of items that are being discontinued, so I thought I better stock up before the fall comes. So if you're new here, please like and subscribe so you're notified the next time I go shopping. And without further ado, let's see what I got. So I have a sleepy shower bomb, and it is just a little billow of clouds, and it smells of lavender. If you're a lavender fan, you have to try the Sleepy line. So this is a shower bomb. It's like a bath bomb, but it's made to use in the shower. And I haven't tried this one, so really curious about that. And then on the bottom, they have Sleepy in purple. So adorable. Next, I have the Sex Bomb. And it is pink and purple with a little flower in the middle. Oh, that's interesting combination. I don't really know what I'm smelling. Okay, musk, jasmine, sage, and ylang ylang. It smells nice. And this is a classic. I just have never tried it, but I'm looking forward to that. Next, I have the Goldrush bath bomb. And it's this pretty Confederate blue with a gold nugget in the middle with glitter, and it says AU. That is very nice. What is this? Okay, scent notes are grapefruit, rosemary, and I think that's it. And almond oil. Oh, but that's nice. Oh, I really like that one. Okay, so that's Goldrush. And next I have a Rose Jam Bubbleroon, and it's like a macaroon, although this one got really smashed, but you're supposed to be able to see the cream filling between the two cookies. And there's the back, and then the front is this beautiful rose. This is in the fragrance of rose jam. I love that one. And it's a bubble bar, so I also picked up the pink Petitegrain bubble bar, and it's this beautiful neon pink in the shape of a flower, but it's literally got a wooden spoke in the middle, and it spins. Now, will this spin in the bath? I'm not sure, but I will find out. It smells like, I don't know what I'm smelling. Okay, grapefruit oil, cream of tartar, whatever that is. But it smells nice. I like it, and it's very, very pretty. Next, I got a creamy candy. I believe this is a bubble bar. This is pink with this little blue flower in the middle. Oh, and this smells like candy. Very sweet, like a piece of candy. Oh, I really like this one. I love that scent. I'm going to have to go back and see if they have more of that. Next, I got the Intergalactic bath bomb. And I love the colors on this. Pink, yellow, and blue with glitter. And it's like spearmint and lavender. Okay, spearmint and lavender and cedar wood, but it's a very nice combination. I really, really like this one. And this one also fizzes and pops in the bathtub, so can't wait for that. So that's Intergalactic. And no, I have one more. I have the Dirty bath bomb, and it is a couple different shades of blue, green, and yellow, and this one is being discontinued, you guys. It smells beautiful. Sandalwood, lavender, and neroli oil and thyme. I really like this. That's the Dirty Bath Bomb. So that is all I have for you for this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And as always, I pray that you and your families are safe and well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!